Experiencing Bitwarden extension causing lag and tab crashes on Firefox is incredibly disruptive, and after tackling this exact challenge personally, rigorously testing numerous approaches, I've pinpointed the most reliable solutions that truly restore browser stability, which I'm about to unveil. First, regularly updating both your Bitwarden extension and the Firefox browser is critical. Outdated software frequently harbors bugs, memory leaks, and compatibility issues that directly lead to performance degradation and system instability. Updates deliver essential bug fixes, security patches, and crucial performance optimizations, ensuring smoother operation and reduced resource strain on your system. Next, a simple but effective technique involves disabling and then re-enabling the Bitwarden extension. This action forces the extension to fully reinitialize its internal processes, effectively clearing any temporary cached data, corrupted states, or lingering background conflicts that might have accumulated, providing a clean slate for its operation within Firefox. Furthermore, adjusting specific Bitwarden settings can significantly alleviate resource pressure. Features such as aggressive autofill on page load or overly frequent synchronization intervals can demand substantial browser resources, especially on complex websites. Modifying these settings, perhaps by disabling autofill or reducing sync frequency, minimizes the continuous background load on Firefox, directly preventing resource exhaustion that commonly manifests as lag and unexpected tab crashes. Finally, targeted Firefox troubleshooting offers deep diagnostic power. Starting Firefox in safe mode helps isolate if other extensions are conflicting. Disabling hardware acceleration can pinpoint issues related to your GPU drivers or rendering pipeline. Most powerfully, refreshing or creating an entirely new Firefox profile effectively cleans out any corrupted user data, problematic preferences, or lingering issues from past add-ons, providing a pristine environment to thoroughly retest Bitwarden's behavior. This systematic approach allows you to precisely identify and eliminate the root cause, whether it's an extension conflict, a core browser setting, or a corrupted profile, ultimately restoring your Firefox's speed and reliability.